and so many other thoughts coming around. That's not been easy to find to be attend those language is working. Because nothing that has always triggered me is not a place whereby this completely they are not bombing. Only I was sitting only I was Igbo. She has always because her own idea Kobaka as she film. Maggie Kobaka she's troublesome. My director Kobaka as a director. This the younger ones are coming up. They will so much. As a star, you know, Uche Wakuche Eduzo Yaoman. We managed to is very strong family. And sometimes you find out that sometimes I laughing on set because of those things we outside the work. And people think we don't laugh. I appreciate. We're not talking about doing working. Sometimes God draw something that you never expect. And you know what I am. If you go there like this, how do you can my name? But must say that I go to you. Nah, see everybody. If not, you can say here quite different from every other job I've done in the past. Living a fake life is not easy. Claiming what I am not. Travel to Panya president is my roommate. Panya president is my boy. You know, and so many other talks. It has not been easy. Trying to every other language, and then another person that have always triggered me is this lady Anna Bomadi, Uchemakuche Eduzo. She has always been she's troublesome. That's so many other thoughts. Uchemakuche Eduzo Yaomange. She is very troublesome. And sometimes you find out I'm laughing on set because of those things we used to talk. And people think we don't laugh. We laugh more than you are doing. Most times you drop something that you never expect. You know what I am not if you put it like this, how do you can my member once some near answer me you got nah you see where everybody have not taken anything cast. I don't know what easy man. My one thing is teach the station you have need fear no come from. Man you need to watch if I know that things can so in all challenge, in all of them, God is my strength.